Ang behave naman ng Ellie namin. Ang behave naman yan.
And uses
Yeah! Hi guys! Welcome back! Say hi everyone! Tinan mo siya oh. We will go to Walmart. We're gonna buy some ingredients for lumpia. Cause Kevin and some of our friends, they requested to make lumpia and pansit. So gusto nila yung lumpia at saka pansit, guys. Sabi nila magluto daw ako para sa camping namin, 'di ba, Ellie? Yeah. 'Di ba? Kasama po si Ellie. Gusto na umalis eh. Kanina pa to nagpapapadyak eh. Kanina pa nagpapapadyak. Ito lang talaga yung gustong-gusto niyang headband. Ewan ko ba. Yung iba gusto niya naman, pero siguro yung tela nito kasi malambot. Yung isa ayaw niya. Sinuotan ko siya ng iba kanina. Pinalitan ko na lang. Yeah! Eliana. Aya. Say hi, guys! Hi, guys! Let's go, guys! Okay. Go to Dada.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Ayan na naman.
Are you ready? Oh, gee.
Ayan. Ay na, ano?
Ay, gee.
Sige na, let's go! Nasa Walmart na kami, guys. Aga namin dito. Oh, ang Eliana. Maaraw, B. Maaraw. Okay lang yan, B. Maaga pa naman. Ano rin yan? Vitamins. Vitamin D. Diba? Pag umagang araw, ano pa siya? Vitamins pa. Kasi pag mga bandang ano na, pag bandang mga tanghali, mainit na. Sobrang init na. Galing nga. Galing oh. Okay, nasa loob na tayo. Uy, nakita niyo yung mga toys. Oh, kita niyo yung mga toys. Bibili kami dito guys ng yung sausage sa lumpia. Ang ginagamit ko yung Jimmy Deans.
Alright,
Tapos
what's
pang
your name?
lumpia wrapper.
Oh, look at the mangoes, 67 cents.
Oh, wow.
Do you want to bring some with us?
Yeah. Might as well. It's really
Go
cheap.
ahead, that's pretty.
It was, wait lang. Ayan oh, 67 cents siya ngayon. Okay, babe, I'll grab some. You can.
Let's grab a bag.
Dati siyang $1.07. Oh. Favorite din kasi ni Travis mangga. Oh, ang sarap nito. Yeah, grab this one.
You want to bring some with us?
Yeah.
We'll eat some tonight and bring a couple with us.
I wanna bring, hey baby. I wanna bring some to work. Maybe this one. Okay, this one. How many?
I would say like 4, 5.
This 4.
However many you want.
It's really cheap though. We can put 5. Oh, this is ripe. We need to eat that right away. This takes longer because our camping is tomorrow, right?
Yeah, it's tomorrow.
So we need like ripe one. I'm not sure if this one. That should be good. Bumili kami ng 5 guys. Okay. Let's go find the wrapper. Lumpia wrapper. I think it's right there. Oh, ang laki ng ano nila. Pakwan.
Some of the mandarins to bring?
Yeah. Favorite to ni Travis si Mande. And this one is the seedless.
Those look good.
Yeah, looks good. And then, andun yung lumpia wrapper. Ito, egg roll wrap. I might get 2. I think I need 2, babe. July.
Probably.
Yeah. Okay. Then we'll go to the sausage.
Do we need
Carrots. We need carrots.
Do you want salsa just for the house?
Yeah.
We'll just grab one for now.
Yeah, for now. Grabe curious si Elio.
Guacamole for the trip.
Yeah. Curious ang baby ha. Nagtitingin. Ay, look at her. Nagtitingin sa mga panindahan nila dito.
Anything
We need
else right here
carrots.
for the trip?
Carrots.
And that's behind it.
Can we grab a red onion? I want red onion para sa ano, sa lumpia kay mas masarap. Feeling kasi yung sweet onion. That is really good for just to munch.
Yeah.
Just grab it.
You can bring them with us.
Yeah. Look at Ellie. Yeah. Yan ko yung camera kaya ang leeg mo. Tinitignan kasi yung camera, may ikot yung leeg mo. And then, bibili tayo nito, guys.
How's that look?
That looks fine, yeah. Yeah.
What's the difference?
I'm not sure. Is that seedless or ano? I'm sure it all have a seed, right?
Cherries have seeds, yeah.
Okay. So, diba? Lahat pala may seed. Akala ko seedless din.
What?
That? Carrots?
Yeah, is this the kind that you want?
Yeah.
Or do you want to buy the pre-shredded?
Just grab the shredded one. So I don't have to shred it.
Is that
That's
enough?
fine, yeah.
Because then we can just shred it down even more.
Oh, for the pancit, I need that one too.
Just grab another one.
Maybe this one? Naghahanap kami ng electrolytes na bibilhin, guys. So, nakabili na kami ng sausage, carrots, tapos ng pang-wrap. Tapos, bumili lang kami ng mga ilang prutas. Tapos ngayon, naghahanap kami ng electrolytes na bibilhin. Kasi mainit. Mag-ano kami, punta kami sa beach. Tapos, magka-camp kami afternoon. Ang bait naman talaga ng Ellie namin. Ang bait naman talaga.
This one just has the stevia leaf in it.
Ang behave naman ng Ellie namin. Ang behave naman yan.
Do you want to try this one with the energy?
Yeah.
This one
I'll try
has caffeine in it. Are you okay with the caffeine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, that's no, I don't like that one. Oh, this is what my command uses.
Yeah!
A few moments later.
Tulog na si Ellie, guys. Oh. Nag-sleep ikaw? Kaluoy naman ng baby na yan. Uy, nag-sleep ang baby ni Mami. Malapit na kami matapos, guys. Naghahanap lang si Travis ng flag na nilalagay dun sa labas ng bahay. Kaya sira na daw yung flag. Tapos, pupunta kami ng E-Mart. And then, uwi. Tapos, magluluto ako. Tapos, punta siya sa ano niya. Magpapa-haircut siya. And then, may pasok pa ako ngayong hapon. 5 to... Oh, my work today, baby, is from 5 to 10. Tapos, pag uwi, magpapack ng gamit. Kasi bukas sa alis kami.
If this is the type it is, let me just snap a picture of it so I know the... I'll try to find a replacement.
Okay. Maybe they have an Amazon. Oh. Okay, let's go. Ito na yung nabili namin, guys. Medyo napadami-dami. Pag pupunta talaga kami ng Walmart, ang dami namin na yung sasabihin namin na unti lang yung bibili namin. Tapos, pagkatapos, ang dami yung nabibili. Kahit saan naman siguro, no? Kaya minsan talaga pag ako namimili, may listahan talaga ako. Hindi na ako pupunta sa ibang lugar. Ay, hindi na ako pupunta sa ibang mga section. Kung ano lang talaga bibiling ko, yun lang yung pupuntahan ko. So, yun guys, mag-check out muna kami. Then, punta kami ng E-Mart after nito. Kauwi na kami, guys. Nag-play sila ng daddy niya. Oh. Naglalaro siya.
I just moved her up a little bit. Wow.
Nanggigigil siya, oh. She's getting so mad if she can't grab it. Look at her, babe. See? Galit siya, oh. Gusto niya kunin yung laruan eh. Kaso ayaw matanggal.
Oh, what's the problem? Yeah, tell me. What's wrong? Oh, you're just not strong enough yet.
O, tingnan mo, nagagalit siya, oh.
Well, you want to lick it, don't you?
Yeah. Spin the ano. Oh! Oh, see? She's getting so mad.
Oh,
Yeah. Are you mad? Galit na galit. Ah! Kagabi naglalaro siya ng daddy niya and then nagtatawa-tawa siya. Yung malakas na tawa talaga.
Look at those boogers.
Yeah, she have a booger.
Can I get it? Here you go. I can. Oh my goodness. Eliana.
Kulit eh. Nagagalit siya.
What is all that?
What is that cry? That's a hungry cry now. Hi guys, pauwi na ako. Galing work. Yes, nag-work ako after namin kaninang mamili. Tapos magluto. So, lagay ko na yung gamit ko dito. Madilim. So, ayun guys. Meron nga pala kaming camping bukas. Bukas ng umaga alis namin. And hanggang Sunday kami doon. Bale sa beach siya. Tapos pagka Saturday night, magka-camping kami. Doon kami matutulog. And abangan nyo na lang yung next vlog namin. Second camping ni Ellie, no? So, ayun lang siguro yung vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!